Welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to design a program to remove all the special characters in a given string. Let's start by initializing a string variable. We will use the string method called replace all to replace all the special characters with an empty string. To access the method, we will type the name of our string variable followed by dot, and here we can access the method. Type replace all. So here the first argument will be a regex, which is simply a regular expression. The second argument will be a replacement. We will replace all the special characters with an empty string. Let's store this in a new string variable. We can now print out the value of our new string. Let's run this and see what we've got. So here is our new string. We have successfully removed all the special characters. Thank you for watching, and if you liked this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.